Stretch your way to better flexibility. This 5-minute bar session stretches out your legs and back and opens your hips. Only 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Now, let's get started.
Today we'll be featuring flexibility, and for this series you will need a yoga block, a yoga strap, and a Pilates ball. We'll start on our back, so come on down to your mat. Walk those feet in so the knees are up, and draw the legs all the way together, hands down by your side. We're going to begin here with a tick-tock of those hips side to side, just checking in with that low back and your hips. See how things are feeling. And it's okay for that hip to come up. Just find in that range that feels good. We'll bring it back up to center and reach for your yoga strap. To begin here, take the strap over the arch of the right foot. Give yourself a little resistance and extend the leg, pressing the heel towards the ceiling. If you have tight hamstrings and this is challenging for you, you can keep the knee bent. That's absolutely fine. But try and find length here through that heel, and then give yourself a little more resistance. Never forcing, but exhale to draw and think about lengthening that muscle. If you would like, you may lengthen this leg long or keep the knee bent. Just find what feels good to you. Taking another couple of breaths here. I'm going to think about keeping that left hip anchored to the floor as I open the right leg out to the side. Getting a nice stretch here on that inner thigh. And then slowly float it across through center to across your midline. And bring it back up. Bend the knee and switch sides. So extending that left leg now, reaching away through the heel, and then extending the right leg if you'd like. Finding more resistance as you breathe. Keeping the right hip anchored, open the left leg out to the side, getting that nice inner thigh stretch. And then slowly float it through center and cross your midline, taking that stretch into that IT band. Hurts so good. Now take it up to center, draw that right leg in if it's extended, and release the leg down. Set your strap to the side and grab your yoga block. Heels should be in line with the sits bones. I'm going to press to lift my hips, and I'm going to take that block right underneath my sacrum. So your whole sacrum should be supported with this block, and this gives you a small lift here that creates a nice feeling in that low back. I'm going to draw my right leg in towards my chest and lengthen the left leg long. Take some nice deep breaths here. Feel that hip flexor open up, getting deeper into that psoas. And slowly draw that left leg in and extend the right leg long. Just enjoy that opening here along the front of the hip. And slowly draw that right foot in, lower the left leg, and then press the hips, lift, and lower. Turn on your side, grab your yellow ball, or whatever color it is. Take that ball behind the mid-back, right about at your bra line, and you can take this block behind the head. We're gonna open the chest, really open up over the top of this ball, taking the arms out to a T, palms facing the floor. So you're having this nice supported extension. If you have more range in your head and neck, you can take that yoga block out and rest the head. But if that causes you some discomfort, feel free to support your head with the yoga block. Just open that rib cage, take in those deep inhales and exhales. And slowly draw the hands down towards the hips. Roll off of your ball, coming to one side, and press yourself up to a seated position. Press those hands on the knees, curl your spine forward, and take a few little circles here just to finish up, checking in. Make sure everything's moving well. Come back up to a nice tall spine, and we're finished. Thanks for joining me.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.